Welcome once again to Grim 3D. I'm glad you could make it. This video maybe should have been a short, but I don't really want it to be a short because I've got some unboxing to do and I really want to talk more about what I'm seeing than you can do in 1 minute. So stay tuned and we will roll with this unboxing. So this says that it is a laser engraving accessories. I have no idea what's in this box. So let's dig in. All right, let's check it out. Some foam. Oh, I know what this is. I purchased, with my kit, I purchased a touchscreen display because I am wondering if I have to have my laser connected to a computer all the time. The computer that I have is clear across the room, so I would have to get some long USB cables, which isn't really a problem, but the problem with the long USB cables is I got to run them across the walkway, which is terrible. So I'm hoping that this display dealio right here, this is awesome. I forgot that I ordered this. That's like Christmas. So this display dealio, I think you can actually use it in conjunction with a USB drive and Lightburn to more easily develop your designs. And then, so it's got a nice little stretchy cord on there. That's pretty sweet. So you can develop your designs and then you put that on your flash drive. You can take it over there and this will give you some idea of what to do about it or with it. That's awesome. I forgot that I ordered that. Packaged very well. This will definitely go on my laser cutter over there. Once again, not ready to start cutting yet. I still have to vent the laser cutter. So once I get the laser cutter vented, like it's all hooked up, the power's hooked up, the air assist is all hooked up and ready to go. All I got to do is vent it properly, and the parts that are coming for that are coming tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow, if Amazon lives up to their hype, they'll be here tomorrow. So here is a touchscreen controller for the AtomStack A48. It's going to be awesome. That was pretty quick, so that's it for this episode. If you like what I'm doing, give me some thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I'd love to have some comments. Just keep them civil. Any questions you have, any ideas, any gotchas, or anything you think a new laser user should know right off the bat, throw in the comments down below. Let's start a conversation. That's fine. This is brand new for me. Keep on 3D printing. Move in your laser. Get it all set up. We'll see you out there.